Hey, how's it going guys? Jack and Zach here at Toasty DIY, and today we'll be doing a review of the Hbada E3 Ergonomic Supreme office chair. Let's get right into it. So before we go over some of the key points of this, I actually have Zach trying out the chair while he's doing some Photoshop. Zach, what do you think of this ergonomic chair?
Feels very ergonomic, it's comfy. My lumbar feels very supported by the 3D lumbar support, the 3D armrest. Everything's very 3D and good.
Now Zach, let's say you're getting ready to play some Rocket League. You got your controller out. What are you gonna do with that chair?
First thing I'm gonna do is pull out my retractable footrest, lean that baby out. And this is a common misconception. You think you have to use the footrest like this? You're wrong. A real gamer does this.
Oh yeah.
He hits the squat.
This chair has an ergonomic design lumbar support. 3D lumbar support provides customized ergonomic support, relieving your fatigue of sitting for a long time. It's actually a pretty sweet looking chair. So we have the E3 Supreme here. It comes in 3 different models. Now, one of the other favorite features I have is the fact that you can actually tilt the chair forwards and backwards really easy. You can go all the way back to 115 degrees, which definitely feels really nice with the lumbar support, especially if you have any type of back problems. And it has a pretty nice footrest as well, where you can pull the footrest out. You can kind of change the positioning. Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed this chair review. As always, don't forget to check out the main channel Toasty Bros, and don't forget to check out Toasty Clips, and we'll see you guys in the next one.